Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chk bsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c : -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.